So here we are now at step 3, where we define your financial requirement. This is the figure that you require to complete the goal for the year that you set in step 2. Basically, how much money do you need to achieve that one thing that you are going to do this year? So the way to do that is take that amount of money, divide it by 12 for a monthly figure, and divide it by 52, which would give you a weekly figure. So whichever figure makes it easier for you to hold in your mind and work towards. Let's have an example here. Now, say you wanted to buy a new car. That was your goal for this year. And the cost of that car was $24,000. So if you divide that by 12 for a monthly figure, that gives you $2,000 a month. Now that's an easier number to get your head around. Or you could divide the 24,000 by 52, and that will give you a weekly figure. So, depending on how your daily schedule works, how you work out your finances, it's sometimes easier to work on a weekly basis or a monthly basis, and that gives you the target that you need to achieve. If you look at this example, then the exact weekly figure is $461.54. So that is precise. So if you work on a precise figure, it means that you really are narrowing right down and being really, really focused on your goal. You could say $500 a week, which is a rough estimate. So whichever one works for you, whichever one kind of you would feel more excited if you achieved it, if it was the exact figure or if it was a roundabout figure, which is slightly above. It doesn't matter, but basically it means that a smaller figure gives your brain a clear focus for what you need to achieve as you work on a weekly basis. You don't have to hold that huge figure of $24,000 with you every single day. Smaller figures are easier to grasp and much more achievable. So in this example, you go for $500 a week or $461.54 a week, whichever one works for you. So for this step, your homework, just work out those figures. Work out the total amount to achieve your goal per year, and then break it down into monthly and weekly figures and see which one talks to you, see which one you're actually going to be aiming for. And that's all. I will see you in step 4.